Hi there, I'm Toby Townsend, latest member here at scanprovideo. It's great to be back with the team. Worked with Scan many years ago, but here I am now as a drone specialist. Been flying drones for about 7 years now, and in parallel to this working with Scan, I've got my own business called Buzz Drones, which is where I've gained a lot of my own working knowledge and understanding to be able to bring you the best knowledge and experience to help you make the most informed decision when buying a drone, and again for what industry you want to go into. So the industries I worked in really vary from social media content creation from a one-man band all the way up to county level productions. Not just media production, but also surveying, experience in construction, demolition, doing progress videos, surveying in terms of mapping intertidal areas around the Scottish coast, using more advanced version of the Phantom 4 here with the RTK modules. So having that full understanding of the workflow from a surveying point of view, media production point of view, a security point of view as well, which leans into my current military service as a reservist, and having that ability to work on close-knit teams, isolated teams, whatever it may be. So really looking forward to getting stuck in again with Scan, bringing you plenty of content, and I mean plenty of content. More recently, for example, got hold of the DJI Avatar here, and I tell you what, it is fun. It is absolutely fun. I've been having so much enjoyment with it. We've seen people do coffee deliveries with this drone, so you never know. If I get good enough, we might be able to do something like that. But yeah, along the way, we're gonna have plenty of fun, plenty of insights, all the way from buyer's guides, how-tos, and a series really of relatable topics and my thoughts and feelings behind it as an operator, as a human being, and yeah, gonna be fun. So if you've got any comments, queries, questions, comebacks, please let us know, and yeah, let's have some fun, and hopefully we'll see you soon.